welcome to the Typing Mania. I am Abdul Aziz from Mehran University, roll number 1 and SW64. This is a web application that provides best exercises and competitions to its users. This project is a typing project. It includes its users and it gives its users exercises and competitions. These are the basic two features of this project. So let's visit its about section. What is its about section saying? It's a simple about section, and this is the home screen. And when we come to the login, so here we have login screen. We can register a new user. Let's say we are going to register, for example, Imran. Okay, Imran, and let's try Khan. The email, let's say Imran at email.com. okay, so if I register here, I get the error that password cannot be empty. Let's enter the password and we get all the fields correct. So the user is registered successfully. We can come back and log in, and for example, if I log in here with Imran's credentials, so we get Imran at email.com. okay, so and also here if I type the correct password, we get logged in. So that's it. Imran has logged in. So for this exercise, we in the exercise section we have different exercises. For example, word drill, sentence drill, and some basic exercises. Chapter 1, chapter 2. These chapters can be extended up to 10 chapters or 11 chapters as for the sake of understanding or learning. So let's try these exercises. This is the basic exercise. When we start, here we get the exercise is started, and as I type, the progress bar also gets its color, and also if I type the wrong thing, it gets notified. You can see on the keyboard that if I press the wrong key here in the keyboard, you can also see that this gets updated. For example, if I pause it, since I have paused it, now I can continue it, and the time has stopped and I can take a rest now, for example. So when I continue again, I get again the thing. So here you can say that exercise completed, accuracy 94%. Since the words very short in number, that's why the speed is very small and time took very long for these words. Let's come to the sentence drill, and in the sentence drill it is that we have to type the space also. That's why the space is highlighted. So if I say ADAD SFFS JALA space KLA, and this is the some larger exercise, so it will take time. Let's pause it and quit it. So when we start it again, we start from the beginning again, so it resets itself. That's it, correct. And also on the word drill, when we quit, oh sorry for that, I think I quit it. Okay, so logged in back. So in the word drill we have this thing, and when we start, so ASDFJKL, so that's it. For now, for time being, we are gonna quit it or pause it. That's it. And let's try the important feature about this project, that is competition. So every user can have competitions with the same level of the other user. For example, Imran is on the level 1, and for example, this user, who is this user? This is Umair. Okay, so for Umair, for example, we are going to the competition, so he is also on the same level, so they both are ready for the competition. So let's start. So this is matching, I mean waiting for the new user or the same level 1 user to get started. So as this user becomes active, he gets connected. Well, this is locally hosted, so it didn't took time, but if it was on the internet servers, it should have taken time. So let's start the competition. Let's Imran types, for example, hello there Imran. Oh, he gets error. So this is, well, if we move to the Umair's section, and here we say hello there, this is from, oh, we got error. So this is dummy text line 1. That's it. And since this was a short competition for the demo purpose, so you can see that competition ended. Imran has lost the competition based on the score. this score is based on you can also see the accuracy, but accuracy is great but the speed is very low. Also you can see that net speed and gross speed are very great. So that's it. When this user quits, he also gets the information that this is also updated. So this is being done through socket IO. This project is developed in React, React Bootstrap, Node.js, MongoDB. So these are the technologies used in this project. The final thing that is remaining, that is account settings. So here we can update this user's Imran's profile. For example, we can choose file, for example this one, let's suppose, and open and upload, and file is uploaded. And if we come to the dashboard, here Imran's profile is uploaded, and you can see that for now Imran has won the competition. That's why has lost the competition, sorry for that. That's why here we see that 0-1, 0 draw and lost one. So coming back to the account settings, we can update his different account settings. For example, here are the number, city, address, and we save it, we get the things done. For example, if I come back to the dashboard and I get everything correctly configured. So as you can see, number and location are updated. Back to the account settings, he can update his email, for example Imran123, and if he saves it, that's it, he gets his email updated. Now if he logs out and says Imran at email.com, and so user doesn't exist because his email has been updated. If we say login, so we get logged in. So this is for this project. I hope you enjoyed this project. These are the competition exercise and typing mania, and coming back to the home and logging out. So that's it. You can see all the fields are gone. Thank you very much. This is all about this project.